Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So it's been a interesting 24 hours for the state of Victoria and her residents. As most people would be aware, we've been put into stage 4 lockdown again. So it's slightly different to last time for Bullion Now. I've been in discussions with Business Victoria to find out what we can and can't do. It looks like this time round we can't do the over-the-counter sales and purchases that we were attempting to maintain last time. Everything needs to be in a click and collect type format. So there's a couple of options here. You can still you can place an order online, bullionnow.com.au. You can place an order over the phone, 1300 84 84 10. You can place an order via email, sales@bullionnow.com.au. We can take those sales or even buybacks at that point. If you're needing to do a buyback because you need to liquidate for funds for another reason, you can do that, and either we can have items freighted out to you. You can have them freighted to us if it's a buyback situation. We can put it into longer term storage for you, the same as we've done previously, where we've offered free storage for the period of lockdown that we had last time. We're quite happy to roll that out again. So we're quite happy to store it here under lock and key, fully insured, all those types of things for you until we work out exactly what we can do moving forward with these restrictions. Your third option is the traditional click and collect or click and drop off if we're doing a buyback. So you can come into the store, and we'll actually do a video of this when I'm back in the Melbourne store, where we'll actually walk you through the whole process. But effectively, we use the Airlock, and you can come into the store, into the Airlock component of the store. We'll communicate through the speakers and that sort of stuff. We can have the product there. We can even take payments through the Airlock, although it's slightly more complicated. But all of that can still happen. So we are still here supporting our Bullion Now family for any sales that they need for their converting their fiat or whatever investment it is into the precious metals investment. But we're also here, and it's really important that we're also here to for people if they need to liquidate their precious metal investment in any form to access the funds for whether it be for day-to-day living or for other investments. So we can do all of the stuff that we normally do. We just can't do the physical over-the-counter that we would do last week even. So any inquiries at all, don't be frightened of calling 1300 84 84 10, and Sam or myself will be able to help you there, or even Sylvia as well. Or send us an inquiry, sales@bullionnow.com.au. We're requesting that you don't just lob in. It's really great if you can make an appointment. That way, if you are challenged in any form, then we can confirm that you've got an appointment to come in and see us at Bullion Now and sort out your financial affairs in that form. So I don't know what it's going to look like after 11:59 p.m. on the 17th, Wednesday, the 17th of February. I don't think anyone does yet. The government is still analysing all the data that's coming through. So we will keep everyone updated as much as we can. Hang in there. My heart goes out to the community. I watched, and it was really heartwarming. In the local community I live in, there's a florist that had obviously stocked up for Valentine's Day on Sunday, and the community came together and purchased all his stock. So we had Valentine's night early in our family last night, and we bought flowers, and I know a lot of the community did to support this florist. So it's great to see that sort of stuff coming through more and more. So band together where you can, support each other, and yeah, we'll keep you updated as far as the Bullion Now family goes as we keep this rolling on. That's it for now. We'll talk again soon. See ya.